Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at 20 plus hidden iDrive voice command features. Now, through the voice command, it can either be activated two ways. You can click the microphone button right here, and you can give it one of those commands. It'll pop up and it'll be listening. As you can see on the head-up display, it is now listening to me. The other way to activate it is to say, "Hello BMW," and the voice command will come up and speak. Now, when you do activate with "Hello BMW," you just say "Hello BMW," and then you say your voice command right away, and there's no need to pause or anything like that. Now that we've talked about the two ways to activate the voice command on a BMW system, now let's get into what these voice commands can be. So the first function we're going to do is connecting the iPhone. So let's press the button, and let's say, "Connect an iPhone."
You can connect your
So it connects me right into the mobile devices area where I can go through and I can plug in a new iPhone. This is a test drive car, so we have a lot of cell phones hooked up to it. Maybe you just want to go back to the main menu without clicking the iDrive controller. You can just say, "Hello BMW, take me to the main menu."
main menu.
And we're back at the main menu. It also does some cool things like, "Hello BMW, roll down all the windows."
All the windows.
And that's all the windows have now been opened up. I'll say, "Hello BMW, raise the windows." Along with the windows, what you can also do is the sunroof as well. So there is a manual button to click it here, but you can also say,
I will set the transparency to low.
and it closes out the sunroof there. Now you can also use the Hello BMW system to change the climate menu. "Hello BMW, turn the AC on max."
I'm activating maximum cooling.
"I am very cold."
I'm raising the temperature, so it will be more comfortable right away. Let me know if it gets too warm for you.
So I just told the car that I was cold and it raised the temperature. You can also tell it to turn on the front defroster or the rear defroster. Please turn on the front defroster.
I have activated the defrost function.
You can also tell it to turn on the heated or ventilated seats. Turn on the vented seats.
Alright, I will activate the seat ventilation for the driver.
And you can see and it knows who's talking. So it knows whether it's the driver talking or the passenger talking. So the passenger asked to turn on the heated or cooled seats. It would do it for the passenger, and it does it on the driver's side. So all of your climate control functions are done via voice command. The next one is going to be the ambient lighting. So, "Hello BMW, change the ambient lighting to blue."
I personally like that one best.
And as you can see, the ambient lighting went from red to blue. "Hey BMW, turn the ambient lighting to green."
Good choice.
And there we have green. You can also use it to turn on and off the head-up display. So right now I have the head-up display turned off. "Hello BMW, turn on the head-up display."
I have activated the head-up display.
And then now we can see the head-up display. You can also use it for navigation. "Hello BMW, navigate me to McDonald's."
I have found several.
And it's going to find all the McDonald's that are nearby. You can also use it to check the weather. "Hello BMW, what's the weather like?"
Currently it is cloudy in Toronto with a temperature of 27 degrees.
And then you can also use it to go through your media. So you can say, "Hello BMW, change the music source to my iPhone."
It's not available for the selected entertainment source.
You can also turn up the volume, change the song. "Hello BMW, turn up the volume."
Sure, I will turn the volume up.
"Hello BMW, turn the radio off."
Sure.
You can also use that for skipping tracks if you're on a set playlist. While you're in music, you can also go, "Hello BMW, go into the sound settings."
Please change the sound settings manually.
While you're doing navigation, also find charging stations. "Hello BMW, find me the nearest charging station." Although it won't be too hard because the nearest charging station is right in the mirror, right there. But it's going to search it. It's going to find all of your available options, how close or how far away they are. And you can also use it to go into basically any sub-menu that you want. So let's see. Let's find one and let's say, "Hello BMW, go into the charging app."
Here's the charging menu.
And we got all the charging menu. "Hello BMW, go to the interior camera app."
I'm opening interior camera.
So you can use that function to go into any menu that you want. Of course, you'd have to be logged in for the interior camera app. You can also find parking garages and parking spots. "Hello BMW, find me some parking."
Sure, I will look for destinations.
It gives you all the local parking near you. You can even use it to go into the voice command menu itself. Hello BMW, go into the voice command menu.
Did you know that I can intelligently adjust the climate settings for you? Just say, for example, it's too warm. If you want to hear the weather forecast, ask me how is the weather in New York City. To control the interior or exterior lighting, you can say, for example, turn on the reading light for the front passenger or turn off the rear fog lamp. Would you like to hear a few examples from other categories?
No, thank you. Oh, you can even turn on and off the reading lights. Hello BMW, turn on the front reading lights. Then it goes into the reading light menu. So you can also activate all of the modes. Hello BMW, go into comfort mode.
I will activate personal mode.
Not to mention you can make phone calls with it. If your phone is connected, hello BMW, call my sister.
For this function,
Of course.
I need a connection to a Bluetooth device.
So of course you do have to have a telephone connected to do that, but you can. Basically any one of these menus you can voice command and go into and tell the car what you want it to do. Here is also a list of commands that you could actually do as well. So even more, please introduce yourself, zoom in and zoom out of the map. When will we get there? Where can I stay for the night? If you want to drive somewhere. So here are some example commands if you want to go into it. So if you want to go into media, these are the keywords they say. If you want to go into telephone, these are the keywords you say. If you want to go into navigation, here's what you say. Climate control, system settings, personal assistant, mobile devices, driving settings, displays, charging, just to give you an example. You can even change the wake word. Maybe you don't want it to be hello BMW, you want to set a personal wake, you want to set a personal card, you can do that. You just have to log in and go into those settings. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this 20 plus hidden features of the BMW voice command system. If you guys found this video useful, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.